So I'm Dr. Michael Bohley. I practice in Portland, Oregon, and my practice is a mix of aesthetic surgery and breast reconstruction. It wasn't always that way. I did start out doing a lot of hand surgery and facial surgery for trauma cases. Over the past 20 years, it's evolved into more of an aesthetic practice. I started in Ohio, did my medical school at the University of Toledo Medical College, what was called the Medical College of Ohio at that time. My undergraduate was at Ohio State, and my Bachelor of Science was in microbiology. When I matched in the general surgery match, I matched in Portland, and when I finished medical school in 1988, started my 5-year general surgery residency at Emmanuel Hospital. Was very excited about that because at the time I thought I might want to be a trauma surgeon. But my first rotation as a resident was in plastic surgery with Dr. DeMars and Dr. Beaker, and that started my interest in a career in plastic surgery. Emmanuel was a great experience. We did a lot of trauma, a lot of critical care, taking care of very sick people. The general surgery residents ran the burn center with the general surgeons there, so a lot of good experience in burns and reconstruction, which sort of dovetailed very well with my interest in plastic surgery. When I finished my 5 years of general surgery residency, I matched in plastic surgery at Ohio State, so I went back to Ohio for 2 years of training at the Ohio State University, and in the meantime kept in touch with Dr. DeMars, who had been the first attending I'd worked with as a resident, and we both got along very well when I was a resident, and we talked over the years about my maybe coming back to Portland. And when I finished in plastic surgery training at Ohio State, I did come back to Portland and join Dr. DeMars in practice over 20 years ago now.